Welcome back, all my juicy lethal individuals all across the universe and rifts, dimensions, and all other things that are cosmic. We're back. Oh, man, that last episode of Ratchet and Clank was just beyond juicy. The juice levels, I can't even describe. You can't rate them or measure them. And I'm hyped. Remember, we got the crystals, but at a very costly take. They basically got destroyed, but we saved Clank. Most important thing, and also it kind of sounds like we saved the planet, and we found out turning on the drill is not a good idea in other dimensions. So something to take a look at and, you know, save for other things. But either way, we're back in the mix and taking a look at all the different planets and everything we got to go look at now. We just knocked out Blizar Prime. Now granted, I know that this is like the
got some rewards with my name on them.
Right, and see, you guys can see, like, we got some stuff to do in the arena, but I'm thinking what we ought to do.
Ratchet finds that profit soon.
Oh wow, look at that! That actually looks pretty cool. Mend the broken phase quartz. You know, I'm not gonna lie. Again, the Dimensionator blueprints. It sounds like once we get that, we're gonna have to build something, right? So it's like if we have to build something or if we have to get something rolling and going, I think going to Torrent 4 makes sense.
The fixer better be ready to fix some phase quartz.
Let's do it. Let's go to the fixer. Let's see if we can fix the crystal, because if we have a crystal that's created and connected, I think it makes sense that we're gonna, you know, put that into the Dimensionator that needs an intact crystal. So I think we're working that way. Whoa.
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
Huh. I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action.
This place looks amazing as well. I'm gonna continue to just ooh and ah at this because it looks awesome.
Say he is.
Yes, I hope so too. The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid. Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits or pirates.
Makes sense.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
If I were a fixer, where would I be?
Fixing things, I suspect.
That looks delicious in there. What the? Very cool. All right. You guys think we can drop down onto that? We cannot. Oh boy.
Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
The Glove of Doom is now available. Need I say more?
What is the Glove of Doom? Why is this not... Hello?
Fancy a shade? Buzzblades are now in stock. Leave it so soon?
Okay.
New tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
In the smelting pits further ahead. Roger that. All right.
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will.
The ricochet gun is actually pretty cool. Oh. Very nice. Heck yeah. Man, I don't know. It's just, you know, maybe you call me simple or what, but man, this is the vibe, you know. It's really cool, the different angle of having Rivet, though, and talking about Ratchet, so it's not like, you know, harping on something that we've done a million times, but, you know, I don't know. I also have not played any of the games outside of, like, the first, like, 3, I think. Or maybe first 2. I can't quite remember. Whatever ones were on PlayStation 1 and 2. Nice.
There are the smelting pits across the canyon.
Okay, well, what's down here, though?
But there is no way to reach it.
Time to improvise.
Is there not, like, some juicy lootage right down here? Okay.
A hurl shot's gonna get us across that chasm? It's huge!
Yes, and I am not thrilled about the name either. But we must find one at the smelting pits.
Chunk incoming! Broken rail ahead! Here comes another one!
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift!
Oh, yeah.
How about
Yes,
that,
yes.
huh?
Well, very impressive. They keep coming.
Here comes the jump!
Oh, dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It
Oh,
goes straight
this
to the
is
smelting pit.
amazing.
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Piece
That's cool.
of cake!
Whoa, what the heck? Oh, they're actual pirates. Oh my god.
No.
Best ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come. Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite Rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys! Attack!
Oh dear. The pirates are raiding for scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea. Ah, shoot.
First make me right. I adore the way you fight with it, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power! For the last people!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no. The cause of the fixer's brokenness is a mystery to me. I will enjoy his absence, however.
That's all of them. Let's get that hurl shot down.
Wow. Very nice. Oh, this makes sense too. This is like the little side piece where we were seeing all the fighting going on it, right? Right. Yeah, because we jumped on there. And I remember seeing all the crystals on here. Did we miss any of the crystals though? No, I don't think we did. I think we're looking good. Anything else looking juicy in here? Cool, sweet. That was pretty cool. All right. Sweet.
We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find a fixer. My spine!
It's a mistake to get between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves!
We're pinned down!
If Molotov is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
Where better to find buried treasure than
Whoa.
So she be fixing to meet the same fate as a fixer? We be happy to oblige.
Oh my.
So tenacious! Je t'adore! Our looting was so boring until you arrived! So merci for livening things up!
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
More? How many pirates does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off.
Oh my. Oh wow.
Then again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
Is there more pirates that we're fighting right now, or? Wow. Where are we go?
Incoming.
Your penchant for meddling is most annoying with it! Why must you...
Oh, really?
Your penchant for meddling is most annoying with it! Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
Ha! I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story! Hello, everyone!
Oh yeah. That was pretty snazzy. Oh. What the heck? Oh, you're back.
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not.
Oh, we leveled up. Nasty.
There be no plank for ye to walk in. Your end lies with me. This is what you get for trying to steal water.
Okay, all right.
Yours?
Okay, all right, all right.
You're not going to scuttle me. That won't happen again.
Even when he doesn't want to. Halt my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! We'll eat the expenses! Are ye sure?
Oh my. Oh my.
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted!
Oh, wow.
Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
Cool.
You break it, you buy it.
You know, I gotta say we gotta go for the Glove of Doom. Oh, it was 22,000 as well.
Now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
Nice. What the heck was that? Sweet. The only reason why I wanted to come back over here was... Oh, look at him. Yeah, the Doom Glove is absolutely elite. So are we able to use this now? Oh, no, I guess not. I wonder what that is going to be. 'Cause look, that's where the gold screw's at. Man. Alright, well, maybe we'll figure that out. Maybe that's going to be the next thing that we unlock. Unless, I just want to make sure. We don't have any boots that already do something crazy, right? No. 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 Okay, here we go. Oh.
Gotta admit, the fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
Not my experience with big robots, but we'll see. Another pocket dimension. What do you think? Fun.
I can be persuaded.
I can be persuaded.
Maybe it's time for one last speedle ride.
Was there anything else down here? It just looks like this is meant to get us here. Okay, yep, uh-huh. Very snazzy. Ooh. Praetorian Lombax helmet. Nice. Praetorian Guard, notoriously known for just being the good guys. Of course.
On to the fixture. Almost there.
Pierre said they be fixing to fix the fixer! So fix them a quick death! You're gonna pay for making us scuttle our own ship! Cut him down, matey! Lombax is getting too close to the fixer!
You could attack from a different angle by tethering to those wrists.
So easy!
Keep them coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself.
I should have known scuttling, you fool!
Are you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
How will I know is on my greatest foe?
Good thing you'll never have to find out.
You and your adorable sassy backpack then! No chance!
Sassy backpack.
You guys aren't very good at this.
Do not lump me into the failure. I am merely the face of the operation.
Oh, is there not another?
Can't say I enjoyed that.
Oh, am I just supposed to be destroying these guys, or am I going somewhere in particular?
Perhaps now Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
Oh, oh, oh. Not cool. Not nice. What the? Hello? What? Okay, so basically...
Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
I do not have the health for this.
I be honored to blaspheme myself. You're scraggling and will pester Pierre no more. Your tail will be a fine swamp for our guest.
Can't stand these shields.
What
money.
if the face quartz
Money.
cannot be fixed?
We're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
I am both frustrated and excited. Run, obstacles, and signal the others. We must stop them before they reach the picture.
Ah!
Oh, wow.
Wahoo!
Ah.
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned on because he was broken?
Huh! This must be the fixer's on switch.
Hello? Are you, okay?
No, I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh my.
Oh, wow.
Yeah! At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
Ah!
I am
At least the
a
pirates are
goof.
taken care of.
I didn't realize that there was a
Focus on
second
the
line.
grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Junk ahead.
What the? Hello? What the? What? What just happened? It's not. I'm not able to jump to the sides or to the left or
Junk
right.
ahead.
Okay, that was. Okay, now it's working. You guys just see how it just slingshotted me into the mountain?
Fixing is a vague
That was very
and
weird.
fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
What is he, the breaker now?
I see a fellow broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Oh, wow.
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
Oh, man.
The mine's collapsing. Great.
Men is to enlighten. I am not deserving of enlightenment. I have no wisdom.
Wisdom. I may have an idea.
I'm all ears.
I am broken. I cannot fix. I cannot be fixed.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall!
Oh dear.
Can everything stop falling apart, please?
I am fixed.
What are you doing?
Improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the Bullards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this?
Whoa!
Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Nice.
Phew. Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
Thank you, Ribbit.
So I know that we need to get one more of the screws, but I wonder, is that like, are we able to do that now, or do we need to go get like some boots or something that allow us to do that? I think that's the case. All right. How the heck did we get back? See,
Teleporter. Nice.
see, so like, how do we? What is this thing right here? I'm kind of curious, so... Oh, what?
Nefarious City. It has been 10 years since Carson 5 fell, and this rotten place arose out of the ashes like a blood-eared pimple. The Emperor promised peace and order, but all Ms. Zircon got was oppression and slightly cheaper consumer electronics. Travel to other worlds has been heavily restricted, along with civil liberties and public crying. But with all the bleakness and despair and hideous architecture, there is one grace note. This is where the Resistance was born.
Very cool. Okay.
Sargasso, the land that time forgot. Or rather, the land the Emperor took one look at and could not forget fast enough. Full of acidic swamps, primordial beasts, and bugs. Lots of bugs. The Emperor quickly decided that there were better ways to spend his time than conquering this mudball. The Gelatonium outpost once belonged to the Kirchu tribe, but they were wiped out when they accidentally misspelled the Emperor's name on their tax returns. Since then, the Morts have moved in and salvaged what they could. Officially, they remain neutral in the galactic conflict, but unfortunately, rumors have arisen that they have been harboring a key member of the Resistance in secret.
Wow, that's us. So... Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be something that we have to like do a Q ability on.
Guess we can't grind to get back.
So you got the big guy back.
All right, cool.
Tell him about my primo gun. What did he say? Actually, don't worry about it. I'll tell him.
All right, perfect. So then I'm thinking, I mean, ultimately, everything for this, I'm pretty sure everything for this map is pretty much done then. Yeah, mend the broken phase quartz, escape. So we just got to get out of here now, and then Let's see. Yeah, I don't think that there was anything else here to do. This is a pretty quick one here, I guess. All right, then. Well, let's go back to the ship. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, sweet. Let's take a look. Let's hop on the old map here. Let's see what we're cooking with. Oh, what the?
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. False. You think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax vandals have not escaped. How could they if... I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion Farabucks. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes!
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We better keep moving.
Wow. Okay, cool. So then...
Let's hit the arena. My weapons could use some leveling up.
You know what? I think we will, because this is kind of a shorter one. We kind of knocked out the main part of this pretty quickly. So I think we head back here and see if we can't get a couple of the arenas fought through. Perfect. Okay. Sweet. Back in the mix. There's nothing down there, right? Okay, cool. Oh, look at these dudes. Is there... Awesome. All right. Yeah, let's go see what we can do here. I don't think we have any upgrades or anything yet. Oh, what is this? Ammo? Okay. Oh, yeah.
You've gotten a little quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a dimensionator.
I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't gonna be easy.
Yes, but phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in the universe. Right.
Yeah, well, we already got the phase quartz. Okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Time trial. Finish the Speedo course quickly.
Have you reached the end of my treacherous track without falling off your steed? Can our Lombax handle something more deadly? Say the bone-melting acid swamps of Sargasso! How is Little Sir I meant to run an arena dude with no ability to control the magnet? And finally, Little Sir Khan ushers our
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Come on.
the bone-melting, face-searing, acid swamps of
Whoa.
Sargasso!
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is tight. Oh, that was almost really bad. We almost just went way off the course. Sheesh. Just like that, baby. Come on now. That was tight. Okay. Sweet. Well. Oh, we already did those 2 check marks. Duh. Okay. Check mark. Defeat 25 goons using only the Enforcer. Okay. Oh gosh. Oops. I just constantly. Okay. Oh. This one is so possible. I just literally just got to make sure I keep getting ammo. Okay. Nope. Okay. That's what's actually killing us is the fact that I keep going off the edge over here. I am actually just a goof. I literally take out like 80% of my health by just walking into lava. These guys are like, this is the easiest bounty ever. Alright. You guys mind if I'm just not terrible this time? Alright. Oh my gosh, look at them all. Okay, all right. Give me the ammunition. Okay. Yeah. See, we gotta prioritize the ammo, I think, more than trying to land the kills. Beautiful. Oh, okay. Ooh. Oh, that's perfect. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Oh no, he's right there. Boom, got it. Oh wow, that was so close. Look at the health. Ooh. Come on now. Oh, look at the boots. I wonder what those do. Defeat the undead Grunthor. The undead Grunthor. That doesn't sound terrifying. Whoa. Wow. Oh yeah, come on now. Carbonox advanced boots. Sweet. Nice. Sweet. Well, we got all of those now. So how do we unlock the next phase of... Select a cup? Yeah, well, we have all the check marks. Do we just maybe we're only able to get the bronze cup or something? No? What the heck? Okay, well, I guess we just can't. Okay. Well, I mean, it's kind of lame. I don't know. Maybe I thought we were able to do more. Maybe we just have to level up some more. But what were the boots that we just got? Oh, very cool looking. Okay, sweet. And then our collectibles. What the heck is that? That didn't seem right. Yeah, no, I didn't. I knew that didn't look right. What the heck? Okay. All right, cool. Well, then overall, I think we knocked out all the bronze ones, so that's cool. And then outside of the bronze stuff.
Quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a dimensionator.
I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't gonna be easy.
Yes, but phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in
Yeah,
the
we
universe.
got the phase quartz though.
Right.
We're good. I think they go through this audio again because it's like you're on this planet when that happens. But if we take a look, sweet. Oh wow, look at bronze cup optional. Locate the part to repair Clank. Okay, so basically we just have to wait till those other ones unlock. So that means that we knocked out Torin 4. We got everything we needed there, and it sounds like we're gonna get some boots possibly here that are gonna allow us to go to the next area, or to go get that last screw there, which is absolutely perfect. But another juicy episode. Knocked out a bunch of missions, and we got the bronze cup. Come on, talk about it. Absolutely juicy. So we're gonna be wrapping it up here. I don't want to have it go too long. Be prepared for more of this to come. We're gonna be jumping into Savali, maybe. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's gonna be great, and I cannot wait. I've been having a blast. Hope you are too. Have a lethal rest of your days and nights wherever you are. Drink some water, and I'll see you in the next one.